always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you.
It sure is, Mr. Goose.
Hedgehog, you just used the letter of the day.
Goody! What is it?
The letter G. G makes the sound G in goose. Listen. G, G, goose.
G, G, goose.
Now you try.
G, G, goose.
Very good.
You just used the letter of the day, too.
I did?
Yes, you said good. G, G, good.
Well done, Hedgehog. That was very observant.
Thank you. I want to listen for more words that begin with G.
Here are more things that begin with G.
Gift. G, G, gift. Goose. G, G, goose.
That's me. Hello.
Grapes. G, G, grapes. Guitar. G, G, guitar. Girl. G, G, girl. Goat. G, G, goat.
What letter do all these words start with?
G.
That's right. The letter G.
Letter Safari.
beginning letter sounds. Oh, look! Mr. Frog's guitar. 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 Do you hear that? Guitar begins with G. Guitar. Let's find more beginning letters. Hi, Monkey. Look, a ball. Listen. Ball. Ball. What letter makes the beginning sound in ball? B! That's right. Ball. Pig is painting. Listen. Painting. Painting. What letter do you hear? P! Perfect! Well, hello, Hedgehog. Listen. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. What letter do you hear? H! That's right. Hedgehog's name begins with H. Yay! Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Guitar. What's that letter? G! Ball. What's that letter? B! Painting. What's that letter? P! Hedgehog. What's that letter? H! Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. G! B! P! H! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say G.
G!
All right, say it again.
G!
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter G, letter G. What's that letter? Letter G. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Goat. Gift. Girl. Goose.
That's me. Hello.
That's the letter G.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. That's the letter G.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
G!
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter G, letter G. What's that letter?
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Tractor Gets Help.
In this story, Tractor's friends help him when he gets sick. Let's read it. Let's begin. Tractor Gets Help. Written by Mogachi Marutla, illustrated by Ntbili Zanke Ochwedits, translated by Alicia Berger. This is Truck. This is Scooter. Truck and Scooter are friends. They are rushing to see their sick friend, Tractor. Scooter is going very fast. Oh no! Be careful! Hello, friends. I am sick. Let's get medicine. You will be well again. Tractor is well again. All of Tractor's friends come to celebrate. What a party! The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
I don't know that song.
You don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. And look what I have in my backpack. My maracas. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the blue circles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is a circle.
That's brown. We only want blue circles.
Oh, right. I forgot. Here's a blue circle.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the green hearts.
Okay. Here. Here. Here's one. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for yellow diamonds now, Miss Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 brown circles.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. We've sorted all the shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could pretend these 2 brown circles are coconuts. Look!
You certainly could, Monkey. And you could use these green hearts to be tree leaves.
Peekaboo! Now, where did you go? Oh, there you are! I'm glad we saw each other today. See you!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Lullaby and good night. In the sky, stars are bright. Round your head, flowers gay. Set your slumbers till day. Lullaby and good night. In the sky, stars are bright. Round your head, flowers gay. Set your slumbers till day. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours be blessed. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours